How to draw a zombie pineapple, step by step. Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. So for the first step of our drawing today, we're going to begin by making the top of our pineapple. We're going to make it come down to a point, which will be the center. Well done. Now we're going to connect those two sides by using big sharp pieces. These will be the top of our pineapple. I hope you've had a great October so far, and I hope you have a great Halloween. If you want to see more step-by-step Halloween drawing tutorials just like this, then be sure to check out our Spooky Season Halloween drawing tutorial playlist. Nice job! Are you all done drawing the top of your pineapple? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now below the top of our pineapple on the left hand side, we're going to begin to make the outline. We're not going to make the right hand side just yet, because we're going to add in a brain on the right hand side. When making the outline on the left hand side, we can just use small curved lines. We don't want the outline to be completely straight, because then that will take away from the texture. Now before we move to the right hand side, let's make one more curved line for the bottom. Fantastic! So far this is coming along very well. Now on the right hand side, right below the top of our pineapple, we're going to begin to draw the brains. When drawing the brains, we can make small C-like shapes to add detail. You can make your brain as big or small as you'd like. If you ever wanted to learn how to draw something but it just wasn't on YouTube, then I highly recommend you consider hitting the subscribe button if this has happened to you, because we'll get around to your drawing tutorials if you comment them down below. Whoa, our drawing is awesome. Now we're going to connect the brains all the way down to the center point on the bottom of our page. Now we're all done drawing the outline, but we're not done just yet. Next we have to begin to add detail to the face. I'm going to start off by making a big open mouth in the center of our pineapple. Now on the inside of the mouth that I just drew, I'm going to begin to add in 3 teeth. They will all be square-like shapes. Next, we're going to draw the eyes right above the mouth that we just drew. Be careful, this step can be a little tricky, so be sure to pause the video as you need to. On the inside of the eyes, we're not going to add in any pupil. This will make it appear as if our pineapple is a zombie. The line that I just drew will be directly above the eye. This will make it appear as if our zombie is frowning. Now, a really important part about drawing is always staying symmetrical, so now we have to do the exact same thing to the right hand side that we just did to the left. Around the eyes, I'm going to add in detail by adding in small lines that are curved and straight. To add detail all over the pineapple, I'm going to add in lines as well as V-like shapes that will all connect to the edges as well as each other. This part is really cool because you can get as creative as you would like. You can make your shapes as big or small as you please and make as many as you want or as little as you want. A big goal of Learn How to Draw Hub is to reach as many young artists as possible. If you would like to help us reach that goal, then be sure to give this video a big like because it'll help us out with the YouTube algorithm and it'll promote it to other YouTubers who want to see this drawing as well. Fantastic, you did a great job today. Now I'm just going to add in a couple more small lines underneath the eyes for detail. At the end of this video, I'm going to show a picture of this drawing all colored in. You can pause the video there so that we can match our colors together. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I can't wait to see you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.